It took me 20 years to realize what I'm going to tell you in the next 12 minutes. What if I told you कि जो चीज़ आप chase कर रहे हो is not actually what you're really looking for. You think that you're looking for that perfect job, that perfect partner, that perfect body, एक वो perfect life. But असल में आप कुछ और चाहते हो. What you really need is a quiet mind, एक सेंस ऑफ होलनेस और एक ऐसी फीलिंग जहां आप अपने आप से नहीं भाग रहे हो. वेल, इट टुक मी अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम टू लर्न इट द वेरी हार्ड वे. लेकिन मैं कंप्रेस करूंगी आपके लिए, नॉट एज एडवाइस, नॉट एज मोटिवेशन, बट एज रियलाइजेशन जो आप क्वाइटली अपने साथ कैरी कर सकते हो. सो द फर्स्ट वन, द वेटिंग रूम प्रॉब्लम. Most people actually don't live their lives. They live in a waiting room. They just think, I will start living when this phase ends. I will relax when this pressure reduces. मैं अपनी लाइफ तब enjoy करूंगा जब सब settle हो जाएगा. लेकिन लाइफ कभी announce नहीं करती when it has settled. And here is what these sentences actually do. It makes you postpone living, and postponed living turns into postponed joy, postponed peace, and postponed self-respect. And one day you realize कि तुमने इतने साल जीने की preparation में निकाल दिए instead of actually living it. And the truth is कि there is no finish line. There is no final moment जहाँ permanent happiness, permanent confidence या permanent peace unlock हो जाएगा. Every milestone will become normal, every win will just get absorbed, and the mind quietly starts chasing the next thing. Not because you're weak, but because that is what the mind does. Let me tell you with a story. A simple story about a simple door. Imagine someone standing in front of a door, और वो पूरी शिद्दत से बिलीव करते हैं कि उसके पीछे हैप्पीनेस है. दे पॉलिश द हैंडल, वो लॉक को स्टडी करते हैं, दे वेट फॉर परमिशन एंड दे जस्ट कीप प्रिपेयरिंग. सालों गुजर जाते हैं एंड देन वन डे कोई और आता है और पूछता है, व्हाई डोंट यू जस्ट ओपन इट? एंड दिस पर्सन रिप्लाइज, आई विल व्हेन आई एम रेडी. इसकी आयरनी ये है कि दैट डोर वाज नेवर लॉक्ड. यही लोग लाइफ के साथ करते हैं. वो रेडी होने की वेट करते रहते हैं फॉर अ लाइफ दैट रिक्वायर्स मूवमेंट, नॉट परमिशन. ये रिस्पॉन्सिबल लगता है, ये मैच्योर लगता है, बट इट ट्रेन्स योर माइंड टू पोस्टपोन पीस, एंड पोस्टपोन पीस टर्न्स इनटू परमानेंट रेस्टलेसनेस. सेकंड कम्स देन व्हाट यू आर चेजिंग इज नॉट द रियल नीड. लोग बोलते हैं मुझे पैसा चाहिए. But most people don't really want money. They want safety, they want freedom, they want breathing space. वो चाहते हैं कि वो slow down कर पाए. लोग बोलते हैं कि मुझे success चाहिए. But most people don't want trophies. They want self-respect. They want to feel capable. They want to feel proud of where they are. लोग बोलते हैं कि मुझे perfect partner चाहिए. But most people are not looking for perfection. वो search कर रहे हैं for being seen, for being safe, for being understood. अगर तुम गलत चीज चेस करोगे, you will get it, but it will still feel empty because the real hunger was never addressed. That's why material chasing has a strange problem. It keeps you busy but not fulfilled, which brings us to the next most hard lesson. There is no deep satisfaction in chasing endless material success. Comfort matter करता है, money matter करता है, stability matter करती है, but stretching it beyond enough turns into a burden. More becomes management, more becomes comparison, more becomes anxiety disguised as ambition. Third, the prison of other people's opinions. Here's the line that changed everything for me. Nobody's head is filled with your thoughts. They're only filled with your own thoughts. सबसे ज्यादा आपका fear is social fear. लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Will they judge me? Will they think I failed? What if लोग मेरे approve ना करें? पर लोग तुम्हारी लाइफ इतनी ध्यान से नहीं देख रहे जितना तुम सोचते हो. वो अपनी struggles, अपने fears, अपनी insecurities में काफी busy हैं. Yes, they might comment, they might gossip, they might pass judgment, but they don't live your consequences. And this line is not motivation, but a reality. No one will regret on your behalf. No one will celebrate on your behalf. No one will eat or sleep on your behalf. बहुत dangerous होता है to care too much about what other people think. Live with integrity, but don't build your identity around applause. क्योंकि applause temporary है और तुम्हारा nervous system permanent. So live accordingly. It means your life is yours and yours alone. Fourth, the illusion of control. Control एक misunderstanding है. The belief that you should be able to control outcomes. But life does not work that way. You can choose intention, you can choose your effort, you can choose integrity. But outcome आपके control में नहीं है. और जैसे ही तुम आउटकम कंट्रोल करना चाहते हो, you will lose your peace. So the lesson is simple. Don't try to control things. Let go. Now, letting go does not mean कि you don't care. It means that you stop attaching yourself to the result. You do the work because it is honest. You act with integrity because it is right. बाकी लाइफ को अपने तरीके से रिस्पॉन्ड करने दो, क्योंकि रियल पावर कंट्रोल में नहीं होती. रियल पावर सरेंडर में होती है with clarity. Here's a short story about holding water. Imagine holding water in your hand. The tighter you grip it, the faster it's going to escape. जितना धीरे से पकड़ोगे उतना ज्यादा ठहरेगा. लाइफ भी वैसे ही काम करती है. पावर कंट्रोल से नहीं आती. It comes from understanding when you can loosen this grip of yours. Fifth, there is no race that you're falling behind in. There's a thought जो quietly will remove a lot of pressure from your life. We are the universe experiencing itself from infinite points of views. If you really sit with this, something will soften inside you. You realize आप late नहीं हो, you're not behind, you're not failing in life. तुम बस life को experience कर रहे हो and that is enough. सिर्फ इसलिए fast होने की ज़रूरत नहीं क्योंकि कोई और ज़्यादा fast है. सिर्फ इसलिए extraordinary बनने की ज़रूरत नहीं ताकि तुम worthy feel कर सको. You don't need to become someone else to be valid. You don't need to arrive anywhere to feel complete. Because in your being, you are already whole. And in your doing, तुम कभी whole feel नहीं करोगे चाहे कितना भी achieve कर लो. So stop working towards wholeness. Work from that wholeness inside you. That shift will change everything for you. Sixth, take risks early, make mistakes early, लेकिन उन्हें repeat मत करना. There's something unfair about youth. आपके पास energy है, आपके पास time है और फिर भी लोग बोलते हैं careful रहो. Here's what I've learned. Mistakes that you make early are not disasters. They are data. लोग failure से नहीं टूटते. It's repeating the same mistakes with better excuses. So therefore, take risks while you still have the time to correct. नए mistakes मनाओ, not the old ones, because later in life, risk खत्म नहीं होती, it just becomes expensive. It's not just financial loss, emotional cost, health cost, family cost. So don't waste your youth on perfect planning. Get started. Make new mistakes, not because recklessness is good. Seventh, try and find silence. Express, don't impress. One of the most undervalued skills today is being alone without distraction. Isolation नहीं, solitude में. अपनी preferences, अपनी limits, अपनी values. Authenticity impressive बनने से नहीं आती. Authenticity aligned होने से आती है. Even if that alignment leads to less money, less applause, less external validation. अगर तुम साइलेंस में खुद को नहीं जानते, you will become whatever the crowd wants. And when you start expressing instead of impressing, a strange thing happens. Your life becomes lighter, and at the end of the day, what matters is simple. Can you sleep peacefully? Can you wake up without feeling anxiety? This becomes your priority sooner or later. You cannot run away from it. Eighth, accept yourself now, not later. ये सबसे ज़्यादा लगा मुझे understand करने में. I met people with perfect bodies who hated how they looked. सब उनको admire करते थे except they themselves. If you postpone self-acceptance until achievement, you will keep moving this finish line. Self-acceptance is not a reward for achievement. ये एक foundation है for a stable life. इसलिए accept, respect and love yourself as what you are. फ्यूचर वर्जन के लिए मत छोड़ो, क्योंकि अगर तुम आज खुद को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते तो तुम बाद में भी नहीं करोगे. You will just find new reasons to feel insufficient. Finally, ninth, focus on action, not results. रिजल्ट्स डिले होते हैं, एक्शन अभी इमीडिएट होता है. रिजल्ट अनसर्टन होता है, एक्शन आपके कंट्रोल में होता है. जब तुम सिर्फ आउटकम पे फोकस करते हो, यू स्टार्ट लिविंग इन एंजाइटी. और जब तुम एक्शन पे फोकस करते हो, you start living in the present. Do the work for the sake of doing it well, not because वो perfection promise करता है, not because वो applause guarantee करता है. Let the results arrive when they want to and when they have to. Trust me, they will. These realizations took me a while to get to. I hope they make sense to you and I do hope they resonate with you. Digital universe बहुत बड़ा है and if you do not like and subscribe to me right now, chances are we might not meet each other again. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video or other topics you think I should be making videos on. Looking forward to interacting with you a lot more. This is Divya Jain. Thank you for watching.